Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm your account is signed in and subscription is active because an auth failure stops the provider. Next, inspect network, DNS, and proxy. Those block service registration. Open the provider logs and the system event viewer to catch startup errors. This provides error codes to fix. Once done, make sure system time is accurate and that firewall rules allow the provider process. These steps let you move into targeted fixes with clear diagnostics. You now perform concrete repairs. Restart the cloud file provider service and any sync processes. This often resolves transient hangs. If restart fails, run the provider's repair tool or reinstall the client. Preserve your config when possible to avoid reconfiguration. Reset local cache and temp folders to eliminate corrupt state, then reauthorize device tokens and OAuth sessions so the server accepts connections again. Make sure to watch logs while doing this. They tell you whether the repair succeeded or you finish by validating the fix. Confirm sync status, open several files, and test permissions to ensure full functionality. If problems persist, inspect for conflicts. Antivirus, VPN, or backup software can block the provider. Temporarily disable them to test. Once done, collect detailed logs, note exact timestamps and error codes, and escalate to support with that evidence. A key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue while logging without logs. Support can't diagnose intermittent startup failures effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.